Tally versus SAP B1. Business growth presents a paradox. While Tally is a familiar, effective foundation for basic accounting, growth brings complexities like siloed departments and reporting drag. The transition to an ERP is driven by operational necessity, not just accounting needs. We can visualize this with the visibility iceberg. Above the surface is basic accounting and compliance. Below is total operational control, including real-time inventory, production planning, and supply chain management. True growth demands visibility into this submerged operation. Relying on accounting alone leaves critical questions unanswered, such as current inventory, product profitability, or production delays. The ERP reality provides instant answers through a unified, real-time database. The siloed reality often leads to a spreadsheet trap, duplicated work, inconsistencies, and human error. The SAP B1 reality centralizes data, instantly updating inventory, triggering production, and logging in finance from a single source. SAP Business One creates a connected ecosystem. Information flows across the organization in real time, connecting financial management, inventory, sales, purchasing, production, and more through a unified core. In a siloed state, different departments have fragmented visibility and conflicting data. A unified state centralizes synchronization, allowing every department to work with the exact same information simultaneously, improving forecasting and reporting. Inventory mistakes are costly. Tally provides basic inventory management, but visibility is challenged as operations scale. SAP B1 offers real-time tracking, multi-warehouse visibility, and advanced control features like batch management and barcode integration. For manufacturing, Tally is limited, requiring manual planning or third-party tools. SAP B1 offers integrated manufacturing and material requirements planning, including bill of materials, production orders, and inherent connection between inventory, procurement, and production. There are 6 signs that indicate your business requires an ERP, including multi-location complexity, manufacturing blind spots, MRP demands, reporting lag, automation needs, and inventory omissions. Checking more than 2 of these boxes suggests you've outgrown standalone accounting software. This diagnostic comparison highlights the difference. Tally is engineered for accounting compliance, offering basic tracking. SAP B1 is engineered for total business control, providing comprehensive financial and operational suites, real-time sync, and enterprise-level scalability. Executing this evolution requires a skilled implementation partner. Our approach focuses on 3 pillars: system implementation, operational specialization, and long-term scale, building centralized ERP environments designed for growth. Accounting software records what has already happened, but a true ERP platform dictates what happens next. Partner with Kabeer Consulting Group to eliminate disconnected systems, achieve real-time visibility, and scale confidently on SAP Business One.